We are on our annual bestie trip, and this year we are at Vengurla, Maharashtra, which is at the beach.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground.
It's very soothing.
I hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds get caught up in a dream.
This is regular, this is Hirve Vatana.
Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me.
It's not like kadak doodh though.
It's fine. Like,
Yeah, it's not.
plus, we have adjusted to it now. I am accepting fate. Fate, accepting my own choice of coming to Mauritius. Fate ki वजह से आया.
The fate is like, I didn't tell you to
I
come
will tell you
here.
to go.
Good decision and blame it on me. Why? That poor lady is holding on for her dear life.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see.
I put my little beach blanket and we're sitting on the beach. My friend is doing a workout and I'm just chilling. It's a holiday for me.
They're open to people from outside. But she said abhi khatam ho gaya hai. Well, basically it's a made to order thing, so they are like, we'll give preference to what people have asked internally, and I don't think anyone's asked for veg. So then I said non-veg bhi chalega because I am not like eating right now. She said wo bhi ho gaya abhi, and she said dinner ke liye only non-veg we can get. They to kal subah ka breakfast we can do. So we could do that.
We could do
can come for
breakfast.
breakfast because they have those authentic coconut based जो उसमें दिखाया था ना, that we can have. So she said वहाँ पे number लिखा है, you call me at night and you can come in the morning.
We'll do that.
I think let's do breakfast.
Yeah. We have come to a cashew factory, and Vengurla is apparently known for its cashews. We're going inside to see how it is made, and we also purchased obviously a few things. So behind me is where the factory is and where it's all done.
Paradise Beach is also very famous over there.
Paradise Beach. Beach किधर है उधर?
बोल रहे हैं तो है. Don't argue.
It's like river view where there is no river.
Yeah.
Like river किधर है?
No, they said river is temporarily closed. That is fish.
Prawn thali machli.
These are two different kind of fish.
Driving after how many months?
3 September, October, November. मेरी कार में हॉर्न बीच में नहीं है, बाद में है.
I feel like it's not a thing that is we are creating that need.
The purpose.
The purpose. I feel like it's innately in us. That's why wherever you go in the world, there are people seeking purpose. So in Christianity, it's like either your life is going to be meaningless and pointless, or it's going to have a purpose. Because the whole thing is that you were created
For a reason.
by God for a reason.
True.
And therefore your whole existence on the earth, and therefore like everything else is impermanent. Like whether it is familial relationships,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
it is a career, or it is
Yeah.
money, or everything, those are all meaningless. Those are all impermanent. Those are all things that you should not really worry about.
Yeah.
You should only think about it, what it is that you were created for, and pursue that. And pursue God. Because if you pursue God, you will find what He created you for. Today's plan is to go to Goa. We are going to Arambol Beach, which is like around an hour from here. And it has a lot of vegan and veggie cafes. So that's going to work for both of us. So that is today's plan, is to just spend the day chilling out in Goa. And we'll be back by today evening. And then we'll chill out at our place.
Yeah. It looked like a broken.
So what we'll do this lunch here. And then we'll go that beach place to end the evening, and then have coffee there. And then that will be the beach view to end the evening. Now we will go. Beach में जो करना है इधर उधर we'll go.
जो करना है. What do you think I'm going to do? You know, you tell now.
I don't know what you do in your life.
Oh my God.
I knew you 20 years ago.
रात खत्म हो जाता है ना?
हाँ आएगा।
हाँ वही
जीने के लिए करते हैं, हम मरने के लिए करेंगे।
तुझे भुला दिया हो, तुझे भुला दिया हो, तुझे भुला दिया हो, फिर क्यों तेरी यादों ने मुझे रुला दिया हो।
Like, of course. And 100% time went slow this time. Okay, there is no denial.
Yeah, because I remember even when I was in Pune with you last year,
हाँ.
it was fast. I was
Yeah.
like, "Yare, we should have had more time." all
Yeah,
that stuff.
that's what we felt.
And this time it's like, हम लोग तो पता नहीं, we did so many things.
We did everything,
Yeah.
yet we feel like we have time. It's a good reminder that, you know, if you... And I've always been fascinated and tried very hard to do slow living when I'm in Pune also. But
This was actual
this
slow
was
living.
like slow to some other extent.
ऐसे हम लोग उठ रहे रात को कि क्यों टाइम नहीं जा
we're
रहा.
sleeping also in time.
Yeah.
And so we are waking up early. And then suburb ke bhi like we have chilling at the beach. Sab slow ही चालू है. Best in the year लोगों का, that I'm telling you. That's why I'm very jealous.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see.